What's up, guys? It's September 20th, 2024. Gonna do a breakdown of the E-mini. It was a sideways day, but we had some good swings. I think it was tradable. Here we are trading this candle right here. Bad follow through at highs. Really nice bull bar at the end of the trend. Kind of sitting around resistance. It'll be interesting to see what happens the following days. We're far away from the EMA. Leg one, pull back leg two. We're in our range. Could this be a second leg trap? Gap down. Bar one is a bull bar. It's a range bar. Bar two, bull bar. So bears aren't really getting followed through. We can count this as leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. 3, 4, bear bars. 5 is pulling back. We're breaking above the trend line here. So we can have the gap down as a leg one, and then we can count this as a leg two. And then we see this as a leg three. This becomes climactic. Sells off into support and bounces. Bulls get two leg pull back into the EMA. Bars 10, 11, leg one. Bar 12 pull back. Bar 12 and 13 sales a pull back for the bears. So I was talking about leg one, pull back, leg two. And then this whole price structure gets its own second leg. There's small gaps staying open. This gap got tested. It actually closed. And then this whole thing gets its own leg too. So draw that trend line. We have an opposite bar. So here's a leg one. Opposite bar is inside bar. That's breakout mode. I don't think that if you exited there, I think that's a pretty good exit. Leg two is this candle. And then we have a pullback, leg three. So you can see how there's multiple leg one, leg twos, leg threes. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Leg one, pull back, leg two. Leg one, opposite bar, pull back, leg two. Trend, pull back, leg three, and it reverses higher. Pretty interesting. This doesn't really look like it's going to reverse this entire thing, but it did. Gap up. We're still in the middle of this gap, really, for the bulls. So it's about the highs right here. And then it turns into a rally for about a few hours, testing the previous swing high. 25. So here we have a leg one. 25 sells off, reverses higher. That's the trend line break. Started leg two. 26, 27, breakout above the EMA. Pull back. Sellers sitting around the 15, 16 breakdown. They get trapped 30. 30 doesn't even, anyone who market ordered 30, 29 is trapped. And it reverses higher. 3 bull bars. Pull back. Another 3 bull bars. I think the price structure between 34, 35, and 36 is strong enough to get its own second leg. There's also a gap, so now we see bears are trapped. It does get its own second leg, 38, 39, 40, 41. Then we start to pull back, and it gets 3 legs. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. So wedge top at resistance. Bears are keeping this gap open. And it sells off for its own leg one, leg two. Leg one, pull back, leg two, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Or you can count it leg one, pull back, leg two, second leg trap. Also, I kind of skipped over this price action real quick, but let's look. Leg one, pull back, leg two, opposite bar 39, pull back, leg three, climactic bar 40, sells off. They get their own 3 legs. Wedge top, it sells off. And then we get a wedge bottom that has its own leg one, pull back, leg two. Really nice rally for the day. There's actually 3 pushes here. In range days, we count implied legs, so we have to be really cognizant of that. So here's strong enough for it. This bar 62 to 67, I think is strong enough for its own rally. A second leg, excuse me. I think bar 62 to 67 is strong enough for a second leg. Leg one. 68 pulls back, breaking trend line. So that's the start of the leg two with 69. Start of leg two is right here. And then we see this become a pullback. 71 is climactic. It races up, testing resistance, and sells off. So there's a bear leg in there. And that's the implied pullback between here and here and leg 3, creating a wedge top. I need a 100-second chart. I don't know what time frame this. This is the 1-minute chart. So there's that climactic price action, pulls back, and there's the wedge top, which I was just talking about on the 5-minute. You see? So in trading ranges, it needs to be, you need to be cognizant of all type of leg count. Like every day, you need to be cognizant of all leg count, not just in trading ranges. Leg 1. Oh, let me do something. Okay. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. 34 breaks the trend line, and then we break out here. 35 trapping, so we see leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, pull back, leg 4. Within this price structure right here, we have a leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, climactic price action, and it sells. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, wedge top at resistance. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, or if you there's an applied leg here, 57. Oh, let me actually, what am I talking about? Bar 57. So yeah, so there's that pullback. See that pullback right here? That's what I was talking about. There's an implied pullback. So 57, that's that tail right here. Down, up, sells off again, makes a wedge bottom, and we rally. It's really important to understand these concepts. My trading is evolving every day, and I'm really focused on catching the second leg of the move now because I'm getting tore up trying to trade breakouts. And I'm liking it. It's a little bit different because I'm waiting. I have to be a little bit more patient, but I'm also paying for more probability. I'm paying for the probability. So the patience isn't annoying. It's just something I have to get used to, if that makes sense. Because at first I was patient for the breakouts. Now I'm patient. Now I have to be patient for a different game. But I like it. So it's okay. I think on the long run, this will be 10 trillion times more beneficial to what I was previously doing. So I'm going to cough. Give me 2 seconds. Oh man, I hope you guys had a good weekend. I've been studying I'm doing this on Fridays, but this weekend I'm going to be studying micro channels. So I tried to answer it like I'm filming this when you guys are watching this. But yeah, do you guys see any more gaps? This is zero height-ish. The high of this 59, 49.50, the low of this. Yeah, so there's a 2-tick gap there. I'm starting to enjoy trading. I'm feeling a lot more calm in the markets. Tell me how you guys are doing your trading. I've been trading for 3 years. I still haven't made a dime, but I'm not worried anymore. I'm feeling pretty confident that if it doesn't come now, it will come before the end of next year, I think. I know it's a long outlook, but who cares? This entire year, I've been like, I'm going to get the next payout. I'm going to get the next payout, and it has not worked. So who cares if it takes a year, I guess. I don't think it's going to take a year, but we'll see. I don't even know why I skipped this price action. So we have like 1, pull back, like 2, or excuse me, like 1, pull back, like 2, pull back, like 3, wedge top. We're at resistance. We also have 3 pushes this way. Made it a little thicker. We have 3 pushes this way. It sells off at the EOD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bear bars. So it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow because that's closing 6 bear bars. That deserves its own leg too. Didn't close on the low though, which is so weird. Where's the let me see the ETH. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so there's a wrap. Wait, no, this was yesterday. Oh. I might just be tired. I might not be thinking right. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a good one. About 10 minutes here. Let me know what type of trade you guys are taking. Let me know if this is even helpful. you guys learned something, share the show, say what's up in Discord. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I will talk to you guys on Tuesday. Have a good night, everyone. Bye.